So I want to have people understand the Tartle marketplace in and of itself, why it's such a unique model, and why we believe that we're top of the hill for FPD and ZPD. Yeah. There's two things. Number one is unmatched data quality. So zero first-party data collected directly from individuals. We get explicit consent. So that makes the data more accurate. It makes it more relevant. And then aggregated third-party data where you're not. So can you kind of explain to people a little bit about getting consent?
Like the consent's important because it reduces the liability for you sourcing that data. But in doing so, that actually creates a huge unlock for so many different brands and so many different industries that have been starving for this information, but can finally get access to it because brand to brand wouldn't share it. But me as a person interacting with multiple brands can share everything about my interactions.
Well, what the cool part, and I think that's unique about this, that what our model is, not only do we have unmatched data quality, but we have ethical data practices. And this is really important because where are you getting your data from now?
So whether you want to come and work with us and say, hey, I want you guys to help us with this integration, or I already have a team of developers that will just use this and we can develop on top of it, Tartle's ready to go for you.
I love that. Have you ever played the Fruit Ninja game?
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to talk about granular segmentation, how we slice and dice data.
We have
how do we identify customer segments, and then how can we tailor their strategy accordingly?
Mm-hmm. So like all things in life, you take a large pool of things and you sift them down, right? It's like always panning for gold. Companies do it all the time. Now, how do you pan for gold amongst data? Where do you find it? Where do you find those just nuggets of truth that are just so rich that you're like, wow, we can do some great things with this? Tartle has built probably one of the strongest filtration systems in the world for filtering people down depending on how they're answering data for you. So let me walk you through a very simple example.
So I want to kind of get into some real world applications across industries and how this works. I know with healthcare, we develop personalized treatment. You can take our data, develop personalized treatment plans, predict disease outbreaks, enhance. And this is a big one that we're doing right now is enhance patient engagement.
Yeah, enhance patient engagement. So most of the time, the engagement rates in the healthcare industry are from like 1% to 3%.
Yeah, it's pretty dismal.
It's trash. I mean, I don't want to have a relationship with my healthcare plan.
I don't want to be sitting in the hospital and feeling shitty and have to fill out a survey.
No.
On a clipboard.
It doesn't work. Or I have to sit down with a care management nurse for 2 hours for them to figure my life out. It wouldn't be great if I could just essentially put the bits